Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, August 3rd. The Zen story for today is titled The Teacup That Spilled Time. It happened during a quiet afternoon in the temple kitchen. Nothing unusual, just a novice boiling water, humming softly to himself. A single teacup resting on the edge of the counter. The cat watched from the top of a nearby shelf, half asleep, paws tucked beneath its chest. The novice turned away for a moment to check the pot. That was when the teacup began to fall. The cat saw it tilt, just a little, just enough. But instead of dropping quickly to the floor, it seemed to hang there, caught mid-air. Not floating exactly, not frozen either, just pausing. As if something had gently pressed pause on the whole world. The cup leaned further. Tea hovered near the rim, but didn't spill. The cat jumped down and patted closer. It wasn't in a hurry. It sat beside the cup and looked. The air around it felt different, thicker, quieter, like the space between two thoughts that haven't quite decided what to become. The cat circled once, tilted its head. The cup stayed exactly where it was. Time passed, though it didn't feel as if it had. The water in the pot behind the novice began to boil. The bubbles popped softly. Steam filled the air. The cat stayed where it was, unmoving. Then, just as the novice turned around, the cup completed its fall. It hit the stone floor and cracked. Not violently, not with drama, just a clean, soft sound. The tea spread out on on the floor in a thin puddle. The novice blinked. He looked at the floor, then at the shelf where the cat had been. The cat had already wandered off, leaving only a single paw print in the wet stone near the broken pieces. That evening, the cat found a shard of cup by the doorway. It sniffed it, turned it over with its paw once, and then left it there. No interest in putting it back together. Now take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light. And then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What does it mean to let something fall without trying to catch it? And can that too be a kind of care? What does it mean to let something fall without trying to catch it? And can that too be a kind of care? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What does it mean to let something fall without trying to catch it? And can that too be a kind of care? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.